Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this holiday cranberry gold halo eye look using the new Robin Eisenberg palette by Urban Decay. We're just going to jump right into the tutorial. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll get started. I'm going to go in with the shade Mango on a ColourPop an Ariel A11, and it's that gorgeous matte orange peach shade. And I'm going to blend this all over my crease area. It's very orange and peachy. I'm just going to try and warm them up. I am doing a halo look, so I'm going to bring this in my inner corner, my outer V. Just going to try and warm up everything with that peachy orange shade. Or sorry, it's called Mango Sun. I love these Ariel brushes. They are so perfect. If you watch a lot of like the Real Housewives or shows like reality shows, a lot of people use these brushes, a lot of professional makeup artists. They are very good. Just want to make sure it's very nice and orange, just kind of creating this upside down U on my eyelid, blending it in my inner corner, crease, and outer V. So next I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. This is the Ariel A25, and I'm going to take the shade Solar Storm, which is like the really nice transition brown shade in the palette. This is one of my favorite everyday crease shades. I'm just going to blend this into my outer V, inner V. It's another matte shade, a very wearable neutral. I mean, the whole point of this palette is the pops of color, but I prefer more neutral looks, and so this is kind of the look I created using these shades. So just creating this more definition of my inner V and my outer V and my crease area. Again, these brushes are just so smooth and these shades blend out so nice. This is a matte shade, and just creating some definition here, starting up that halo. Sometimes it's like you gotta look up to get the inner V really good. So next I'm gonna take an Ariel A7, which is a much more pointed blending brush. And I'm gonna take the shade Firefox, which is that maroon red shade in the palette, also a matte. I'm gonna touch this in my inner V here, really creating that definition and shadow. And my outer V. A little bit of fallout there. But this is my outer V. And I'm just gonna connect them ever so lightly here up in the crease. Just like a really soft touch of this maroon in the crease area. I just realized you can hear my washer. I'm sorry. Actually, gonna go ahead and do the same thing with my bottom lash line. So I'm going in with the shade Mango on a fluffy blender, and I'm gonna blend this out all along. Solar Storm, also blending that into my lash line. And again and with Firefox. This one I'm going to be more precise with. And I'm just going to take another blending brush with nothing on it really and just kind of buff out the edges. Kind of just emphasize all my wrinkles, but whatever. Wrinkles are normal. I know society likes to tell us they're not, but they are. Now is when it gets fun. So I'm just gonna, again, just buff out these edges. Making sure everything's nice and flowy. I'm about to fall out my face here, but. So everything looks good and blended. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Ion. This is a gorgeous gold shade in the palette. Just gonna take that with my finger. It's very gold, and I'm just gonna put this right on the center here. And then take my other finger and just kind of touch in the edges so it's not so harsh. I'm gonna go back in with that pointed blending brush and the shade Firefox and just kind of go over them together. So that way the gold is just in the center, creating that halo. Stunning. Okay, so then I am debating whether, okay, so I'm gonna go with the shade Exoplanet, which is that shimmery purpley shade. It's like a pink, and I'm gonna go right on the edges there of that gold. Just like that. I'm gonna go back and with the gold actually and just pat that on top of those. And then go back in with the pink and tap that in, kind of mixing them together. And then back in with the gold. I want the gold to be the real showstopper here. Now I'm gonna take my brush, go back in with Firefox, and just kind of darken up the outer V again. Oops. I'm gonna take the shade Exoplanet on my finger, and I'm gonna rub that into my bottom lash line. And then take the gold and put that right in the center. Highlighting brush, get it wet with some setting spray. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Moon Sand. It's a very white, sparkly shade. And I'm gonna tap that down. And I lost all my gold. What did I just do? Did I just mess this up? Wait, okay, now I'm gonna go back in with my gold. Back in with Exoplanet. I'm just trying to get that blinding, highlight there. I guess I got it back. Okay, and then I just want to make sure Exoplanet is really shining through, so I'm going to go back in with Exoplanet. I feel like I'm just mixing them and getting this pink gold when I want the true color that it is, which is a nice pink. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna go back in with Firefox and blend that in with these And I'm gonna take that highlighting brush. I'm gonna go back in. Actually, I'm gonna go with the shade Pulsar, which is that pink shimmery shade. And that's what I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow with. Or my, sorry, not my Cupid's bow, my inner corner. And underneath my brow. I'm going to apply some black eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay Perversion to my bottom waterline. I'm going to tightline my top lashes, but do that off camera. I'm going to apply some L'Oreal Sky High mascara. Alright, I'm going to put my false lashes on the Ardell Demi Wispies off camera, and I will be right back. And that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.